there, I'm Jen Frost with Faith and Fabric, and I would like to invite you to a very special quilt along. In preparation for Holy Week, we're going to be creating this beautiful quilt top, which takes you all the way from Palm Sunday, all the way through to Easter Sunday, through the 8 days of Holy Week. We'll be starting off on Palm Sunday by creating the iconic donkey Jesus rode into town as palm branches were laid at his feet. It was the welcoming of a king. On Monday, we'll sew the temple in Jerusalem, where Jesus flipped over the tables of the money changers and vendors, who, instead of vending, were behaving like thieves and using the people's worship of God for disproportionate profit for themselves. On Tuesday, we'll recreate the fig tree, half of it in its lush greenery but absent of figs, and half as it appeared on Tuesday morning after being cursed the previous day, dried and withered. On Wednesday, we will sew the 30 pieces of silver that Judas received in his betrayal of Jesus. On Thursday, we create the bread and wine of the Last Supper, which Jesus broke and shared with his disciples, telling them to do this in memory of me. On Friday, we create the 3 crosses of Golgotha, with Jesus' center cross draped in a royal purple sash. On Saturday, we will sew the upper room with its lights still on, representing the disciples staying awake as they waited for the promise of their Savior. On Sunday, we will sew the joy of Easter, the open tomb. The stole has been rolled away, and the white burial shroud sits atop where Jesus once lay. Our quilt along begins on March 14th and goes all the way to April 1st. We'll be starting off with a day of prep to help you hit the ground running, going over some paper piecing techniques, going over some fabric requirements, and then we'll have about 2 days for each of the blocks, so you'll have a chance to take a day off or a day to catch up as we make each of those 8 blocks. We'll then wrap up at the end with how to put all of your blocks together into a beautiful quilt top. Your purchase includes patterns of 3 different sizes. You'll see here's the 8 by 8 inch blocks. It also includes 10 by 10 inch blocks and 12 by 12 inch blocks, which means you can pick and choose the sizes that are perfect for you with whatever it is that you want to make. Now the 12 by 12 inch blocks are perfect also if you want to just make a few of them. You'll see here I've made 2 wall hangings. Here's a nice large Palm Sunday one showing the image of the donkey, and then here's a very nice one for Good Friday. And these 12 inch blocks make beautiful little wall hangings or even pillow covers. To register for the quilt along, follow the link below. It will take you to a page where you can purchase your pattern, and you'll immediately have access to 9 different files, 1 for each of the 8 days and 1 for the overall quilt. Be sure to create an account at checkout, as it will make accessing your files that much easier. I'm so excited to join you for this journey, and I'm very excited to sew our redemption story together.